for me, it's a good opportunity for me to be here in Olimpije, and they really want me, and I really appreciate that. I'm here to give them the best of my own career football, so I really thank God for that. Yeah, I feel very happy because it's like my brother. I take it as my brother, so I feel very happy, and I feel good to meet my brother too, to in one team, to play with him in one team. I thank God for that, and I really thank everybody that make it possible for me to be here. I learn like the one I know, Dobrodošel, Dobrotek, Aide, Kakosi. I greet everybody that listen to me now. I say hi to you, all the fans, all the people that motivate me to be here, that support me in my career. I really thank them, and the fans, the Olimpije fans. I really thank all of you to see you once again. For me to be here, I would like to make you people happy. Just feel happy that I am coming to make you people happy.